Sofern SK1, new era ng mga tactical flashlights. Ordinaryong tingnan pero makabagong disenyo at teknolohiya. This changes the way you use a flashlight. Combination ng rotary magnetic switch at dual stage tactile tail switch. Mabilis na pagpapalit ng brightness at modes by only pressing a button and twisting the dial. New generation LEDs with less energy consumption, low heat, but has serious power and range. Ibig sabihin ay mas matagal itong manatili sa turbo at mas tatagal bago ito malobat. A game changer sa performance na hindi mo mararanasan sa mga ordinaryong flashlights. Hello enthusiast! Bagong dagdag sa ating koleksyon at papunta na tayo sa makabagong disenyo ng mga flashlights. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox, subukan ang performance at kilatisin ang disenyo at kalidad ng Sofern SK1. Let's take a quick glance sa unboxing experience of this awesome unit. Let's go! Ngayon naman, subukan natin ang kanyang lakas at performance outdoors. Let's go! Long range test ng ating Sofern SK1 dito sa Buhisan Dam, 180 meters from the viewing deck. Ayan, start at low. Then medium. Ayan, yung low parang hindi pa masyadong kita. Pero yung medium, umaabot naman. Kita na siya kapag medium. Kapag naka-high siya, it's already very bright. This is the high. And then turbo. Ayan. Super bright kapag turbo. And then turbo, that's the brightest. Kayang-kaya ng turbo. Look at that beam. Dito naman is yung long range test. That mountain is approximately 850 to 900 meters from the viewing deck. Let's see kung kakayanin niya. Let's start with, yan, kapag low, wala. And that's medium. Yan. And then high. Yan yung high niya. And then turbo. So kayang-kaya niya. Great performance by Sofern SK1. And it's currently holding the turbo mode. Alright. Yan. So for an SK1 dito sa ating favorite spot, let's start with low, medium, high, and then turbo. Ngayon naman ay pag-usapan natin ang kanyang build quality at mga specifications. Gawa sa AL6061 T6 aluminum alloy, may water and impact resistance rated at IP68. Hard anodized finish kaya napaka-premium ng texture nito. Kutis mamahalin. Convenient USB Type-C charging with a rubber seal para di pasukin ng alikabok at tubig. May kasama na ring two-way pocket clip to secure it in your pocket, straps, belts, or whatever you have. Now, our friend Millie, who is our point of contact from Sofern, was kind enough to also send us a tactical ring. Kaya ito na yung gagamitin natin at papalitan natin ng two-way pocket clip. This is how it looks when the pocket clip is removed. And now let's try to install this tactical ring. Now this feels more secure. Now the dimensions are very familiar kasi isa siyang 18650 na flashlight. I've been using 21700 flashlights for a while. Sobrang na-miss ko ang ergonomics ng 18650 type kagaya ng SK1. Hindi masyadong mabigat, hindi masyadong bulky para sa isang kagaya kong hindi naman malaki ang mga kamay. And I think I'm really going back to carrying 18650 lights. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang emitter which is the Luminous SFT25R. Ito ay nasa likod ng hardened glass lens at gumagamit ng smooth reflector for a nice wide spill. At meron din siyang nice and deep na granulated bezel. Now talking about the Luminous SFT25R, ang iilang highlights ng emitter na to ay may low forward voltage and thermal resistance. This enables better efficiency and higher power handling capabilities. Very precise and efficient because of its vertical chip architecture. At dahil dyan, ang SFT25R ay kumukuha na ng recognition as a top-tier 3535 sized thrower LED. At dahil gumagamit ng 18650 lithium-ion battery na may 3000 mAh na capacity, sobrang kunat nito sa battery. Runtime is very impressive, and if this is used as a companion light for work, makasisiguro kang tatagal ito sa buong oras ng iyong trabaho kahit hindi ka na magdala ng extra battery. Di ba sa LED pa lang, panalo ka na. Punta naman tayo sa switches and controls. Meron siyang magnetic rotary switch para sa madali at mabilis na pagpapalit ng modes which are the tactical mode, lock, and duty mode. Dual tail switch naman para sa activation, brightness control, instant turbo, strobe at moonlight. Maganda at pulido ang pagkakagawa ng switch. Sobrang natuwa ako sa ganitong layout at combination ng controls. This makes me even more excited sa mga improvements na gagawin nila sa mga future na models. Ngayon, quick rundown naman sa kanyang napakadaling user interface. Ang kanyang switch ay may dalawang hakbang, half press and full press. Mararamdaman mo na meron siyang tactile feedback sa bawat hakbang ng kanyang switch. Ngayon, unahin natin ang duty mode. So just twist the ring at itapat lang ang guhit sa duty mode. Full press to activate the flashlight. And if you do a half press, walang mangyayari. But if you half press and hold, you will activate the moonlight mode. Quick half press para sa madaling pagpapalit ng brightness. Very easy. Sa duty mode, meron 5 brightness. Moonlight mode, low, medium, high, and turbo. Do a full press to turn off the flashlight. Ngayon, lipat naman tayo sa lock. Kapag nakalock naman, you'll only access the momentary moonlight. For safety purposes and also convenience kung kailangan mo ng minimal illumination. Now, let's switch to my favorite mode. Ito ang tactical mode. Sa tactical mode, dalawa lang ang kanyang brightness or setting. Instant access to strobe and instant access to turbo. Pero momentary lang yun. So you have to press and hold para ma-maintain, otherwise, hindi na siya gagana. So in example, doing a half press is an instant turbo, full press is strobe. This is very handy for tactical situations. Now my verdict on the Sofern SK1. Sa presyong inaalok nito, masasabi kong isa itong solidong pagpipilian para sa mga mahihilig sa high-performance na ilaw. Kahanga-hanga ang kalidad ng paggawa mula sa matibay na build hanggang sa maliwanag at epektibong beam ay talagang sulit para sa halaga. Game changer ang kanyang switches, emitter, at lalong-lalo na ang kanyang runtime at heat resistance. Kung naghahanap ka ng maaasahang flashlight na hindi sasakit ang bulsa pero may premium na performance, panalo ang Sofern SK1. Kung nagustuhan mo ang reviewing ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around. This is your boy Muhayag and see you on the next video.